Imagine you're on a road trip, cruising in your Tesla Model S, but suddenly your windshield becomes dirty, and to your dismay, the windshield wiper fluid is out. In such scenarios, maintaining a full wiper fluid reservoir becomes crucial. It ensures smooth and hassle-free journeys, be it a long road trip, or simply navigating through adverse weather conditions. But don't worry, refilling your Tesla's windshield wiper fluid is a simple and straightforward task that you can perform at home. Before you start, gather your essentials. You'll need a jug of windshield wiper fluid and a funnel. Now, the wiper fluid isn't something exotic. It's available at most auto parts stores, and even in many supermarkets. Just ensure that it's specifically windshield wiper fluid, as this is designed to clean and treat your windshield, not just wet it. A word of caution here, folks. You might be tempted to just use water, especially on a warm summer day. But remember, water can freeze. If that happens, it could seriously damage your car's fluid system. So, stick with the specially designed fluid, even if the sun is shining and the birds are singing. Now, the funnel is just to make sure you don't spill the fluid all over your beautiful Tesla. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Now that you have everything you need, let's move on to how you can access the wiper fluid reservoir in your Tesla Model S. Locating the windshield wiper fluid reservoir in your Tesla Model S is quite easy. To get started, you'll want to make sure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off. The last thing we need is a moving target, am I right? In contrast to many traditional vehicles, Tesla ingeniously placed the wiper fluid reservoir in the front trunk, or as it's affectionately known, the frunk. Yes, that's right, your Tesla has a frunk. Now, to access it, you're going to want to release the latch from inside your car, just like you would with any regular trunk. Once you've done that, simply lift the frunk hood. Take a moment to marvel at the extra storage space, but don't get too distracted. Focus now, and look for a blue cap. That's your windshield wiper fluid reservoir, just waiting to be topped up. With the reservoir now in sight, you're just a step away from solving your problem. Refilling the reservoir is as simple as pouring in the fluid. However, let's break it down to ensure a smooth and spill-free process. First things first, you're going to need a funnel. This handy tool will help direct the fluid straight into the reservoir, minimizing the risk of spills. Now, if you don't happen to have a funnel at hand, don't worry, you can fashion one yourself using a plastic water bottle cut in half. Just make sure it's clean and dry. Next, grab your windshield wiper fluid. Remember to choose a high-quality fluid suitable for your Tesla Model S. Now, slowly start pouring the fluid into the funnel. The key word here is slowly. If you rush this step, you might end up with a puddle of fluid on your garage floor. As you pour, keep an eye on the fluid level. You don't want to overfill the reservoir. When it's nearly full, stop pouring. It's better to have a little less fluid than too much. Once you've filled the reservoir, it's time to secure the lid. This step is crucial. If the lid isn't closed properly, you could end up with leaks, which could lead to a whole host of issues. So make sure it's screwed on nice and tight. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully refilled your windshield wiper fluid. Now you're ready for any road condition. See, that wasn't so difficult, was it? Don't hesitate to give it a shot, and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla maintenance tips and tricks. Remember, keeping your Tesla in top shape is a journey, not a destination. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.